What is all this new stuff? Is it from the Barnetts? Chrissy and Roger and Nathan, Thomas, and Kate?
Oh.
Do you like it? You're very excited about everything in there, aren't you? Say thank you.
It's cool.
Chrissy. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
You love it. And the Doras and the Boots. The little people. Amos really likes the little farmhouse. He was already playing with it. They have that same one at the library, and that's his favorite thing to play with. The library. Now we have one at home he can play with too. What do you think?
I said more.
What? How can you be sad?
I said more.
You want more? It's never enough, is it? It's never enough. It was a ton of stuff she sent. Dollhouse. Dora and Boots Legos. A farmhouse. Little People books. You really like those books. You were looking at those right away.
Yeah, I woke it with.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh. It's rock.
Okay. Say thank you.
Thank you.